In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Contact Form 7 within Elementor. If you've ever wondered how to seamlessly integrate these popular tools to create stylish and functional forms on your website, you're in the right place. Today, we'll break down the process into easy-to-follow steps that will have you up and running in no time. First, let's make sure you have everything you'll need for this task. Contact Form 7, Elementor, whether it's the free version or the Pro one, and an Elementor-compatible add-on. These add-ons, such as PowerPack, the Plus add-ons, or exclusive add-ons, allow you to style Contact Form 7 forms more visually, which can be incredibly helpful if you want your form to match your site's aesthetics. Now, let's dive into creating your Contact Form 7 form. Head over to your WordPress admin area. From here, navigate to Contact and select Add New. This is where you will build your form according to your specific needs. You can choose the fields you'd like to include and set required flags, such as text your name, to ensure certain fields can't be left blank by users. Once you've tailored the form to your liking, save it. You'll notice a shortcode has been generated for your form. This is what we'll use to embed your form into Elementor. Next, go to the page you are designing with Elementor and open it for editing. Look for the shortcode widget in Elementor's library. Simply drag and drop this widget into the area of the layout where you want your form to appear. Now, paste the Contact Form 7 shortcode that you copied earlier into the shortcode widget. After that, you'll want to save and preview your page to make sure everything looks right. At this point, the form will appear styled by your theme. However, if you find the default styling doesn't quite hit the mark and you'd like to customize its appearance to better align with your website's design, you'll need to delve into some custom CSS. In Elementor, you have a couple of options for adding this custom CSS. You can go into the Advanced tab at the page level and find Custom CSS, or you might prefer to use your theme's additional CSS field, or even a dedicated CSS plugin. That's it! You've now successfully integrated Contact Form 7 into your Elementor designed page. This combination allows you not only to harness the functionality of Contact Form 7, but also to benefit from Elementor's intuitive drag-and-drop design, resulting in a highly customized and professional form. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to explore more of the possibilities these powerful tools offer for your website.